Think of One is an extremely direct mind-reading effect that can be done with a borrowed shuffled deck of cards. That was my first impression. Well, would you just say it in your mind a few times? The blank of blank, the blank of... Oh, that's a surprise. Hardly anybody ever thinks of the Three of Hearts. That was it, yeah. They never tell you the card they're thinking of, and they never write anything down. This is shocking because they give you virtually no clues. It's one of the strongest tricks you can possibly do. I used this for years to fool dozens of magicians who had no clue as to what the method was. It's a very devious method, and surprisingly, very few people know of it. I'm going to shuffle the cards so you can see the faces of the cards. And I'm going to shuffle rapidly, so if by any chance you get dizzy, you can stop looking, okay? Now I'd just like you to think of any card, maybe a card that you saw or not. You have a card in mind? Okay. It's so straightforward, it seems too good to be true, but it's true. I don't want you to tell me which one it is, but I want you to have a good look at these. And your card is here, is it not? Good. Now just picture your card if you would. A black card? It wasn't a black card. Ooh. That was my first impression. Well, would you just say it in your mind a few times? The blank of blank, the blank of... Oh, that's a surprise. Hardly anybody ever thinks of the Three of Hearts. There's no stacks, no memorized decks, no crimps, no marked cards, no nothing. It's a regular deck free from any gaffes whatsoever. The spectator merely thinks of a card, any card at all. They never write it down, they don't tell anybody. That's what I like about this method so much. There's no way you could possibly reach into their mind and pluck out the card that they're thinking of. And yet that's exactly what you seem to do. I'm Allan Kronzek, and this is Think of One.